Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook apple for baby. First, select firm, ripe apples free from blemishes. Wash them thoroughly under cool running water to remove any dirt or pesticides. Next, carefully peel the skin using a vegetable peeler, then core the apple to remove the seeds and tough center. Finally, chop the peeled and cored apple into small, uniform pieces, about 1 inch in size, to ensure even cooking. Once your apples are prepped, you have a few excellent cooking options. You can steam the pieces in a steamer basket over boiling water for about 10 to 15 minutes until they are very soft. Alternatively, boil them in a small amount of water, just enough to cover, until tender. Baking is another great choice. Simply bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 20 minutes, ensuring they are covered. After cooking, it's time to achieve the perfect texture for your little one. For younger babies, blend the cooked apples in a food processor or blender until completely smooth, ensuring no lumps remain. You can add a small amount of breast milk, formula, or even water to reach your desired, pourable consistency. For older babies, simply mash the soft apples with a fork, leaving some texture for them to explore and practice chewing. Proper storage is key to keeping your homemade baby food fresh and safe. Store any leftover apple puree in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For longer storage, freeze individual portions in ice cube trays, then transfer the frozen cubes to freezer bags, where they will last for up to 3 months. Always ensure the puree is cooled and check the temperature before serving to your baby.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.